So, if you're surprised that you see number 6 again, don't be. A long time ago we had a convention. We said that if we have to set up the system of equations, we are allowed to use our graphing calculators to solve the word problems. The system of equations is set up. Now, the reason we did it by hand is because I am aware that some of you do not possess a calculator, but this is for those of you that possess a calculator. So a long time ago, in chapter 3, we dealt with systems of equations with 2 variables. This is different. We notice that this time we have 3 equations. So your matrices will have 3 rows, and they will have 4 columns. 1 for the L's, 1 for the W's, and 1 for the H's, and then a 4th one for the constants. So let's write our augmented matrices. It would be 1, 1, 1, and 75. Negative 1, 2, 2, and 0. And finally 0, 2, negative 1, and 5. So the rows consist of the coefficients of your variables, and the last number is the constant term. What do we do next? We go to our graphing calculator. We turn it on, and we go to second and matrix. We then go to edit. Our matrix has 3 rows and 4 columns. So I pressed 3, then enter, 4, then enter. My first row is 1, 1, 1. Notice that after every number I press enter, and then the last number is 75. In the second row we have negative 1, 2, 2, and 0. Finally, the last row is 0, 2, negative 1, and 5. So we are done. We entered all the numbers. We press second and quit. Then we press second and matrix once more, but this time we go to math. We now go to RREF. In pre-calculus you'll learn that this means we're putting the matrix in reduced row echelon form. We press enter. Once more, we go second matrix, names, close the parentheses, and then press enter. We get 1, 0, 0, 50. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to write that matrix on the board. 1, 0, 0, 50, 0, 1, 0, 10, and 0, 0, 1, 15. What does this mean? It means, sorry about that, it means 1L plus 0W plus 0H is equal to 50, or L is equal to 50. Then what does the second equation mean? 0L plus 1W plus 0H is equal to 10. That actually means W is 10. And finally, for the last one, we have 0L plus 0W plus 1H is equal to 15, or just H is equal to 15. So this is how you would use your graphing calculator. Again, the first thing that you need to do is set up the system. Once you set up the system, just use your graphing calculator, get the answer, write a complete sentence, and you are finished with the problem.